In this video tutorial, you will learn how to backup and restore your WordPress website using the UpdraftPlus plugin. Backing up your website simply means saving a copy of your website, so that if something happens to your website, you can restore the backup to recover your website. Using UpdraftPlus, you can easily back up your site to remote locations such as Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. And the best thing about this plugin is that the free version comes with the ample features to help you run WordPress backups. First, you need to install the UpdraftPlus plugin. To do that, go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type UpdraftPlus. This is the plugin we are looking for. Click on Install Now to start the installation. You can see this plugin has a very good rating, and you can check here if the plugin is compatible with your version of WordPress. When the installation is complete, this button will change to Activate. Click on this button to activate the plugin. Close this Setup Tour option. Then under the UpdraftPlus plugin, click on Settings. When the settings page is loaded, you have this big button saying Backup Now. Click on it. Make sure that these two boxes are checked to include your database and website files in the backup. Then click on Backup Now. It will take a few minutes to finish the backup. Once the backup is finished, you will get a pop-up to notify you. Then when you scroll down, you can see that you have a backup file of your WordPress website. Now, you would not want to go through this process every week to back up your website, so you can schedule an automatic backup which will back up your website automatically. So to do that, click here on Settings, and then change the file's backup schedule from manual to weekly. Do the same for the database backup schedule, and change this to 4. This basically means it will take one backup every week, and it will only retain the last 4 weeks of backup. With this, you will have an entire month's worth of backup to go back to. Next, you can choose here where you want this backup to go to. I recommend you choose Google Drive, but you can select whatever option that you want. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will choose Google Drive. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom of this page. You can check this on if you want to be notified of every time a backup was completed. And then click on Save Changes. So now you have to give UpdraftPlus permission to go to your Google Drive account. To do that, just click on this link and sign in with your Google Drive account that you want the backup to be saved in. Click on Allow. Then click here to complete the setup. And now these backups will accumulate until they hit 4. Then it will continuously replace old backups with new ones. Now that you have a backup of your website, restoring it is just as easy. To restore your website in case you get hacked or because of malware, just go to Settings in your WordPress dashboard and click on UpdraftPlus Backups. Scroll down to your existing backups and then click on Restore. Check all these boxes to restore your site completely. Then click on Next. After the backup files have been processed, click on Restore. It will take a few seconds to restore your files completely. Once the restoration is complete, click here to go back to your dashboard. This is how you can back up and restore your WordPress website using the UpdraftPlus plugin. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down on the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.